Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So it's a really bad news for all of you, my brother. But absolutely, holder, tell me to please give us some good news. Is also you just give us a very bad news. So yes, my brother, absolutely, this is very bad news. But I have also today one good news for all of you. But remember, brothers, to every channel will give you a real advice, absolutely real news, real update. So why you are my friend? Why to if this time they fail us down? So I cannot give you, my friend, the good news. So yes, my brother, this time absolutely this is bad, my friend. You can see here the last 24 hours they will fail us down. They were starting very badly fail us down. And remember to why they fail us down. I will tell you, my brother, I will guide you. I hope, my brother, if they fail us down also, if you follow just in only basic channel, I hope you never lost. I will give you guarantee. So why you are, my friend, fear? Don't take any fear, my friend. I hope they will give you a very good profit if you just only follow this channel. And what I tell you, my brother, you do this. All right, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and the change occurred, as you can see, by this time minus 3.99% fails down. Oh my goodness, it's a short fails. But remember, my brothers, to after a jump, every cryptocurrency will take a jump, and after a jump, my friend, they will fail us down. So this time, after a very huge jump at the end of month, they will take a very huge jump now. So it's mean, my brothers, to after his huge jump, my friend, they will fail us down. But remember, my brothers, the first week of this month they will fail us down. But I know, to my friend, in the second week they will starting moving upward, and they completely go in the moon. So why you are waiting? Remember, holder, if you do any mistakes, you are completely and lost. So don't do any mistake. Just and only you need to follow this channel. I hope, my brother, you will take a very good profit now. All right, let's check out the last 1 hour chart to what's going on. This is last 1 hour update. As you can see, this time the price is 1.08. I think the price is very badly fails down. The price is fails down from 1.8 USD dollar to 1.08 USD dollar. I think this is very bad fails. But remember, my brothers, to after this fails, exactly, my friends, they will take a jump. So I know to upcoming time they will also, my friends, take a very huge jump now, and they will make me millionaire. So I cannot sell it, my friend. What you say, my brothers? This is selling time, holding time, or buying time? My opinion is completely to please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my brother, at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.